Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're doing well, and here 150 premium business flare templates for Photoshop. That's mean these are in PSD file, but you need subscription for access on my old file. Go to sherryskpwd.com. Here three different membership plan, one for month and here 3 month and here lifetime membership. Okay, here total 8 templates in different categories: mobile app flare, smartphone, travel agency flare, car repair flare, fitness flare, and here preview. You can customize every flare in Photoshop. Next, school education, photography, pet shop, educate, kid education, flare delivery and shipment, corporate flare. And here fitness, product promotion, and rent a car. Here a preview of these flare. You can edit in Photoshop. Next, same thing here. Here it PSD file. Same thing here. I hope these are useful for you subscribers. Take care. I love you.